There we go. We're live. A little earlier than usual, but we're live. We're covering AMC. We're conquering the world today, boys. Welcome, 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 welcome. We have a lot to talk about. The index is looking like it's going back to somewhat of normal. It's looking really good. I'm loving what's happening right now. Can't wait to talk about some stuff. AMC is going up. Yes, it is. What's going on? What is going on? We broke that 940. Now it's just price action from here. We're going to see some really similar things, I believe, to GameStop. It's very similar. Already seeing it push that local high. A lot quicker than GameStop did. A lot quicker. So we broke the first day here. And GameStop took about another day. Day and a half, give or take. AMC seeing it now. This is good. This is good stuff. Going to go over 10. This is looking good. AMC party. I'm only sad we weren't here to scream pump when it was happening. You know, that's what I'm sad about. I love what's I love what's going on with other stocks right now. I am in SYY taking a little bit of a beating, just so you know. Transparency there. I love it. Still where it's at. I love it. Still there. I think this is just a retrace though. Reopening, great play. Love what they're doing. SOS, terrible stock. Hate them. Considering grabbing some more shorts, but I'm just so excited looking at AMC. I don't really know what else to talk about. I can't talk about anything else because AMC looks so good right now. The volume I know looks really good. Sorry, my leg is acting up right now. Historical data. Let's go. Yeah, the volume, man, kicking in heavy today. First 30 minutes of trading, almost 22 million. Are you kidding me? What's going on, AJ? You know we're here. You know we're here talking about AMC today. I don't want to jinx it. If it starts going down, we'll hop off. You know, we can't be jinxing it. But overall, we're looking very solid with that almost $10 push. GME, yeah, GME is leading. GME is leading the pack right. Well, yeah, it's leading the pack. Definitely leading the pack here. 100%. What indicators do I use on TradingView? I use the OBV, which is my volume indicator down here, which kind of has been calling. I mean, if you've been watching the YouTube videos, I've been saying that OBV has been leading us up to this point on AMC, right? Just leading us up. Now, all AMC need to do is break above this OBV level, and boom, dude, there's so much room, so much momentum, guys, so much. So the OBV, this blue line right here is the VWAP, and then this is my pivot point that I have, which I plan on bringing to all the YouTube subscribers very soon. We'll talk about that in a little bit. How's everyone feeling? I know we're not gonna have too many people in here. It's kind of early. Not really my time. I typically go live, but I had to. I had to do this. I had to go live. We gotta watch what's going on today, boys. Can we hit? I mean, it's unlikely that we hit 25 today. Tyler the champion. I think it's hilarious that like we all have like kids and stuff, you know, and we're all but we always talk about being apes, eating crayons and whatever else. It's honestly hilarious, like, to think about. Oh, by the way, guys, for everyone here, so if you don't know, if you've been following my NFT stuff, I'm gonna make a video on NFTs so you guys understand kind of what they are and stuff. But my Top Shot sold last night, if you don't know. So basically, I have flipped overall on my account. I deposited $100 into my account, and I flipped it into 1,673 bucks. But I've only spent $14. So really, I've only spent $14. I've turned $14 basically into 1,600. Give or take. Why isn't... What do you mean? Oh, AMC. What do you mean? The volume's there. The volume's there. 100% is there. 22 million in the first 30 minutes. Guys, I don't know if it gets too much better than that. The first 30 minutes, that's phenomenal. The volume's definitely there. We mentioned this yesterday too. The past 4 days have been terrible in volume, right? And then boom, we got that kick in yesterday. I said, this is probably not this is just the beginning on volume. And now we're seeing 25% of that on already in. Looks really good. Looks phenomenal. So no complaints here. Now the Nasdaq is doing good as well. So the Nasdaq doing good has me looking. I need to get into some tech trades also. The tech is looking good. I think Peloton is a hot one. Yeah, Peloton already. Dang it, it already ran. It was really good at open. At open, it was pretty low. Yeah, it was a good one. So we're looking for tech plays right now too. I think tech is a sweet spot to be trading. You can probably hedge too with SOS. I think SOS is Uber looks really nice. Look at that. Look at that on Uber. Oh baby, 4% on the day. What does Lyft at? We'll see. We'll see if Lyft is kind of leading us here. It's good to watch other plays in the same sector. Lyft's kind of down. Lyft might be a better play, but it's. I'm really liking where Uber is on this chart. It looks really. I mean, this could get a push to just a little day trade. That's what it'd be for me. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm gonna grab E-Trade over here, take a peek. Honestly, I don't want to see what my portfolio is at with AMC moving up finally. Like, it's been going down, but like we'll see. How's everyone doing? If you have any questions on stocks you want me to cover, stocks you want me to look at, please comment them on the side. You know, it's a smaller stream today, so I don't mind helping out anyone possible. Uber looks good, guys. Oh my god. I'm kind of forcing my way in though, just what again. But all tech looks so solid right now. Gosh. One sec. Corsair looks pretty good too. XPEV doing well. All these EVs are doing well. YY was so beat up yesterday. Got a guy in the Discord called this one out too. How about Pinduo Duo? How's PDD doing? About to flip. If it flips, these Chinese stocks are gonna be hot plays as well. I think Uber is such a good play though. You just gotta be careful, but flipping that weekly level, this is gonna be a big support now, that 55-50 range, and so I mean I want to see us push to like 57 give or take. So let's look how much these are. I mean I'm gonna grab shotguns for the weekly. If you don't, I call shotguns is when I'm buying the option for this week. You know, that's what I call them. I'm still watching AMC. It's right here. I'm watching it. I'm sorry, but the Nasdaq is flying, so we gotta take money anywhere we can get it. We're not, we're pure savages in here. So I'm gonna go for 57 strikes. I like to go out of the money. If you don't know, that's how I trade. Risk it for the biscuit every day of the week. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna grab. I like these a lot. How's everyone doing? Again, if you have anything you want me to cover, put it in the Discord, please. Not in the Discord, put it in the side chat and I will get right to it. Yeah, this looks really good. The close we're getting above looks really good. 11 minutes left. That's only concerning part is 11 minutes left on the candle. But I mean I really like Uber, so I think Uber's gonna get about $1 push. That's what I'm. Man, what do we do? Okay, let's see how it holds up at this daily open. It might get a bit of a push down. If it gets a push down, I think that's for entries, and then we pop back up. So that's what we're gonna see. I'm gonna set some kind of conservative entry, so if we do in fact get the dip that we want, we'll make some money. So we're getting a little bit of a dip on AMC as well, so I'm watching it 100%. So don't attack me. I can't see what you guys are typing right now. Let me see. AMC, haven't slept for 18 hours. Played BJ for 8 hours. I don't know what playing BJ is for 8 hours. I have no idea. Tyler, you do great analysis. Thank you. I appreciate it. Much love. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a little bit of a retrace. So that's the important part about these pivots. They really help you see for retracements and stuff. So I think we're gonna get a little bit of a retrace. Maybe if we're lucky, back down to 55.50. I don't think so though. But I'm looking for Uber for a push about 56.5 to 57. That'd be really nice, and I definitely see that happening. But we'll come right back to Uber. I wanted to see DoorDash. DoorDash was down so heavy this morning and I didn't get in. Dang it. Okay. We'll keep bouncing around. I think Chewy looks really good too. 82. How much would those go for? 82s. This is a money play. Hasn't hit that level yet. We can come back to Uber. We'll go for 82s for this week. 170. So let's say we hit 80. Okay. I'm gonna get in these ASAP. I'm gonna get into these tomorrow. Yesterday. I don't know. Just trying to make a joke. So copy format. We got some good stuff. I'm excited for the boys. I got some stuff in the works for you guys. You guys don't even know. You guys, you don't even know what Tyler has in the works. Okay, getting a little bit of a dip down. That's good. We're getting a little bit of a dip. So I love to keep index. Yeah, push in now. Push in now. Oh my God. Get in. I'm gonna have to push in a little bit higher. 78. Yeah, that's easy. There's this quick little snipe. Getting a little bit of a dip. And why I like this so much is, one, we're getting a dip at that level where we're sitting above the VWAP. And then two, indexes, the Nasdaq is continuing to do well. This is just constant things behind just more than the actual price action of the stock. So things behind the stock are looking very good. Things that move that stock actually look very good. So I'm very happy with this play. It might look better than Uber. Uber has kind of hurt me in the past with some wild price action, but Chewy's a very volatile stock. It moves very well. So typically I like it. We'll see. Maybe it was a risky play. We'll see. You know, we'll see. Might get a little bit more of a dip. I don't think you're really more of a dip though. This is so good. This is like, man, that flagging right there looks really good. I mean, we could, because the Nasdaq is pretty high. The Nasdaq, I could see it retesting down like it's 12,680, maybe, possibly. I don't see it really happening though. Nasdaq looks really strong today. The break that we got at this weekly level, that was pretty key. All right, back to the questions, guys. I'm sorry. I had to get into that trade. Had to get into that. Okay, more questions. Blackjack Nib. Am I a blackjack nib? So I really like. Hey guys, so Tyler, at what point will you sell your AMC calls, man? It's gonna be emotional when I sell them, because you know what? I've been laddering in since it's being valueless. So then I resold my ones from last week and then just replayed them for March 19th, and I bought some more yesterday. So that's a good question. I really don't know, you know, especially because I have like all these like giveaways happening if we hit $25. So it's like I kind of need to hold them because I don't want them to just come out of my pocket. Ronald Ayala. First of all, love the last name Ayala. What a sweet last name. Two, what's up? What's going on, guys? It's a good day. It's a good day. Firm handshakes. I need to open another tab. I just want to have my trade open at the top. And you guys, if you're new from last night, remember I mentioned that I opened that Wiseman. Oh wait, Chewy's up. Here we go. Firm handshakes. There we go. It's good. Salute from New York. Okay. New York versus Texas. I feel like we have, you know, kind of sworn enemies, but it's okay. I was a really big Yankees fan growing up. I loved Derek Jeter. Kind of crazy. So you use an MT broker, or how do you buy and sell in the tax and the MT is new? So it's gonna be with crypto. You just write off of crypto. But so basically I basically deposited $100 into NBA Top Shot, and with NBA Top, and we're gonna come back to AMC. We're getting some slow movement. We're gonna come back. We're fine. We need hold above 140. I think we will. I'm gonna stay on the TA, okay? I'm gonna stay here, so stay with me. I gotta keep you guys interested as well in the channel. So a little bit of something I've been working on and testing the waters out. A lot of people are asking about NFTs, and so I found one that was interesting to me. So what NBA Top Shot is they partnered with the NBA, and instead of sports cards, they're moments. Basically, you're buying like sports. Some people call them gifts. I guess theoretically that might be what they are. So this is one that I have. This is a Damian Lillard, right? This is one of his cards, right? Boom, that's it. That's the card. But see, the only thing is there's only 10,000 of these made, and this is serial number 8,000. So the closer this is to 1, right, to the lower the serial number, the better. Or if it gets his jersey number, he's number 0, so obviously you can't get a number 0. That they don't make that serial number. But like, say like Joel Embiid, he's number 21. Is he 21? I actually don't know. So if he's 21 and I get serial number 21, that card is worth like thousands of dollars theoretically. Okay, and so people were saying, Tyler, what makes these worth anything? Why are these worth anything? Well, I've deposited $100 and I've turned that into 1673 in 2 weeks. Well, in a weekend. So that's what's going on. So I'm just trying to like let you guys follow the overall movement of it and stuff. It's pretty interesting, pretty cool. It's okay. I like it because it's sports. I think if you're gonna do something like this, you need to find something you like that interests you personally. That's the only thing. Everybody hates New York, but New York doesn't hate everybody. Look, I heard y'all got some good bagels. Uncle Bruce told me I need to come through. Okay, I want my Lambo Applejacks. You know what? We're getting a Lambo with Applejacks all over it. I'm in a good mood today. Veterans for Tyler, shout out your branch. Oh, I thought you meant like, was I in the military? I'm not in the military. Did I say? That was awkward. My brother was in the military, and then he got something happened, and then he went to prison. So, yikes. I'm confused. Couldn't I watch it on YouTube? Okay, so that's the theory. Okay, so and I'm not gonna get off on a long subject here, but I mean, like, we might as well talk about something else while AMC is kind of just trending sideways for a second. It's gonna get more upward pressure. I'm not really concerned at all. So, Chewy still looks good too. So, what's happening is the NBA is keeping those moments. You'll notice the camera angles are different than, let's say, watching it on ESPN because they have all the camera angles from the NBA, correct? So, NBA is capturing those moments. It's like a sports card. Could you take a picture of a player shooting? Yes, you could. But is it the official sports card with that official, you know, the sizing of the card and stuff like that? No, it's not. So this is the official NBA moment of it. There's only a certain amount of those made. And then if you get a better serial number, like the more rare the serial number, the better, like that type of stuff. So that's important to know as well. Now, some people will spend like thousands of dollars. Like someone bought a Zion Williamson, a LeBron James card for like over $100 grand. So New York doesn't claim Uncle Bruce. Dang, Gary. It's true. Clove killing it. Clove, I've been talking about them, and it wasn't even stuff on the tech fundamental side for these guys. It was more about the people that were speaking up for the company. You know what I mean? And I always say this, that if you're not too sure on a company, let's say you do your due diligence and you're like, I don't really know where I sit. So this is the first step in my opinion for me personally. What I do is I look at the CEO. I look at the head of the company. How much equity do they own in the company? Because that'll tell you a lot about that company. And let's say that they don't own a lot. Let's theoretically say they don't. Like, okay, they don't own a lot. Because sometimes you have to give up equity. You can start buying it back. This happens. You know, it happens. So that's okay. But let's say we get there, and I don't know Clove's situation, but one thing that had me love Clove was Chamath Palihapitiya. He's really good friends with the CEO, first of all. But he is probably my second favorite CEO that there is. I like him more than Jeff Bezos. I'm not like a huge Jeff fan, to be honest. I like personality a lot. I like Chamath's personality. He tells it kind of how it is. He's against corporate America to some extent, even though he is kind of corporate America. But he loves the company. He backs them fully. And that was kind of big for me. So doing what due diligence I did, and then I was like, me seeing Chamath being on their side was enough for me, to be honest, combined with what I knew about them. So I didn't think any of the fraud claims were true whatsoever. Brad Sog, it's a new age sports card. That's what it is. And like I was listening to, you should listen to some interviews by some of these like players too, like some of the NBA players, and like it's coming to the NFL. It's coming to probably every sport. So I mean, I'll probably play it in every sport, even if I don't like the sport. It's just interesting. So, and this is flagging, so you know, you can clearly see this flagging. So we're getting that push up. Sorry, my mouse. I didn't have that much room. Getting that push up, and then we're flagging. Already breaking, probably another high. I would assume to like right here, 853. So that's gonna be a pretty big resistance. Maybe like this range here too. Like 820 to 853 is going to be a pretty big resistance. But yeah, looks good for another leg up too. Definitely needs to get above 790 though. It's going to be big, but getting above that's pretty big. Bruce is a panhandler. Honestly, I love the trolls. You guys can troll me. You guys can troll. I will never ban you for trolling me. Unless you start saying like something like crazy crap. Like I had to ban someone because he kept saying like the N-word in chat. How far in share price do you think AMC will go? That's like a hard question to answer, and I don't know how to completely answer that. I think breaking 940 was huge. I think this has room to run to the $14 range now, and I'm not hyping it up. That's just what I could definitely see happening. GME, they're cooling off a little bit. The volume is there though, guys. The volume. And things are going to get interesting now. Things are going to get really, really interesting. Let's go to borrow desk really quick. Sorry, I have all these tabs open. I needed to do some I need to make this PowerPoint thing for this presentation I have, but this is way more important, you know? Like, this is way more important than any type of schoolwork I could ever have to do. I'm only graduating in like 2 months. Who cares? This is way more important. It's kind of funny that like my YouTube and stuff starts doing really well as I'm about to graduate. It's comical. Look at the shares available deteriorating, going down the drain, boys. Down the drain. The recount, who cares? Dude, like, load me up on some more of those synthetic shares, baby. Load me up, baby. Like, hey, Melvin. Load me up. Load me up. I need some more of those synthetics. Guys, this is looking beautiful. I expect this rate to start doubling. You know, this was one of the biggest things for me that I was looking at with this stock, you know. The steady uptrend in fee. You know what I mean? We weren't getting this volatile, crazy movement. It was just steady. It was just steadily uptrending. And you don't want to see one of these meme stocks if you're, and I'm sorry, it's a meme stock, but you don't want to see one of these meme stocks trending if you're a bear. If you start seeing it start trending on, it's trend. This is a trend. This is parabolic craziness, madness. This is scary for bears. You're pushing up, consolidating, pushing back up. Probably gonna consolidate again, but I think we hit near the 300s. This is wild, guys. I'm not a troll, not in a bit. Oh no, I don't care. I don't care. I'm not saying you're a troll. I mean, I don't really, I mean, you can be, okay, so there's a difference between a troll and trolling, like, right? So, like, I can, like, me and you control each other, right? But, like, a troll is someone who just, like, does it and they just, like, we're not even friends. Like, you know what I mean? They're just, like, ugh, like, you know, yeah. Where's the moon? Can I see it? I think my vision is clear. You have to draw the crown. If I can think of a better one than Dixie, I might throw it at you. What are you talking about, AJ? Sorry. I'm not an art guy, but every now and then I see a painting and I say, wow, that's Uncle versus Angle in my opinion. Appreciate the love, Gary. Appreciate the love. I really don't talk about me working out, though. I don't think I talk about it a lot. I try not to, because I think it kind of paints a really big douchebag picture in everyone's head. And I try to get that out of people's heads. Because people come to the channel, like, unfortunately, like, we live in a very materialistic and visual world, I guess. So, like, for instance, like, working in sales was pretty easy for me when I did that for a little bit. And I hated working in sales. I only did it because I used to have really bad, like, social anxiety. So I did it to get over that. Kind of like just throwing yourself in the fire, I guess. Anyways, so when I did that, I was like, I hate it. But like, it was easy for me because I looked decent, like, not being prideful. It's just like, that's just the way it is, right? Sometimes when you're not as great looking, right? And like, that's just something, like, you know, I'm not being conceited at all. I'm just saying, like, it is what it is, right? And being like muscular or whatever, like, it's like, it works out. But like, you see some people that who actually have better skills. So there's people that had better sales skills than me, 100%. Like, there was this one lady I remember. So my mother works in the apartment industry, and she's been up for a lot of promotions, but like, she just knows, like, when you get those promotions for being like regionals and stuff, over like whole like sectors of like, or states, apartments and stuff, you don't get to spend a lot of time with your family. And fortunately enough for our family, like, she kind of works because she will never say it, but she likes working. But also, my dad makes fairly decent money now. In the beginning, he didn't. I mean, we grew up in every house that he used to flip. Like, that we lived in each house he'd flip, right? So, anyways, she had this worker, and she was not like the most attractive woman in the world. Like, honestly, like, she was not. She was heavier set. But this lady, if you went behind her desk, she had piles of the giant monster cans, the green ones. And dude, this lady could sell. This lady would average 45 leases a month. And if you don't know anything, typically leases, you get about $100. But so you worked for, this was a better company. So the company, it started you out at 150 per lease. And then I think after 10, it went up 50%. And then every other 10 went up 50%, 50%, 50%. So just from leases, she was pulling in like 8 grand. It was crazy. It was madness. And then like on top of her hourly pay as well, dude, insane. Like she was making I think more than my mother at the time. just because of commissions and stuff. It was crazy. So what point of that is like, we first impressions are often made based on someone's looks. So what I'm saying on the channel is I have people coming in like, oh, this guy's a douche, this guy's arrogant. I'm like, what are you talking? I mean, I'm actually not that arrogant at all, to be honest. We're too poor to super chat. It's okay. It's okay. After AMZ, baby. You guys don't have to super chat. I don't mind. Yeah, AJ is right. So, Dixie. Oh yeah, you almost got me, AJ. You're not gonna. I know you probably Googled that one last night next to your wife, but you're not gonna get me. Oh, we got Chewy going to targets. See, this is why we trade, boys. See, the Nasdaq is running. This is what we're looking at. So you could have got into it. I don't know if you did or not. It's not a trade signal or whatever the hell you want to call it, but this is what's going on. We got in right here underneath the support. I mentioned it would happen. I mentioned this would probably happen. So let's go to the 5-minute chart to show you exactly what I was looking at, right? So immediately at open, we were at the daily open, pushed down, came back up, trended below. This is where we bought about 810, 811. And I liked it. One, holding above VWAP. Nasdaq looking very, very primed. Then we got above. Getting above has me testing that $82 level. So I'm going to start placing my orders for sales so they do come in. One sec. I'm going to place them at like 240 to be safe. Honestly, I could probably get closer to 3, but I'm not being greedy. I'm not being greedy whatsoever. I'm gonna get out at 260. I'm being greedy. Good job, boys. Congratulations if you want to trade that or not. I don't know. I don't care. It's my money, not yours. So who cares if y'all trade it? I don't really care. You know, I'm not even getting any super chats. Get out of here. I'm just joking. Hey guys, but for real though, if you want a shout out, it's $25 plus tax. And if you want, we can talk about whatever you want for a whole hour if you donate $400. I'm stealing Uncle Bruce's strategy. Dude, that is the most hilarious stuff I've ever heard in my life. So that's good stuff. Firm handshakes, boys. Firm handshakes. Firm handshakes. That's one down for the day. And it wasn't even AMC. We're still sitting heavy in AMC, though. We're still sitting good. Oh, GME getting the push. Here we go. AMC's lock and loaded, baby. Here we go. See how GME's just trending on that VWAP? You see how it's just trending above it? You slowly get, and we got, man, look how good that looks. So boring. Christina is in here to watch. Is it here? Who's Christina? I don't know who Chris. Is that your wife? I don't know. Is that? Who's? I don't know who Christina is. We're thinking about AMC ends today. Man, it depends how much volume continues to flow into the stock. So the volume has slowed down a little bit, but it's okay because we got over that initial hump we needed to get through. You know what I mean? In my opinion. So I think it looks fine. I want to see us hold above VWAP. I think we will. If we get some more volume, which I think we will. I think there's a high possibility we break and hold above 11 today. It's possible. Peep Neo real quick. You know, Justin, just because you're a loyal sub. You know, you're a loyal sub. You're in here every day. Look at Neo. Okay, so I don't want to get too hyped about Neo. Why do I not want to get too hyped? Because my average entry is like at $46. So I don't even really want to like look at it too heavy, but it looks really, really good. And if Trey was here, you know what he would say. It's a George W. That was my best like trade George W impression. So lots of resistance gonna be up here like at 48, 49. That's what I would watch. But I see it breaking above for sure. Morning, broski. What a day! What a time to be alive. Not what a day. What a time to be alive. And you can trade meme stocks for a living. Christina, some lady here said this stream. How is this stream boring? Michelle the Roocher. It's a joke. It's I don't think you get it. Well, you have to follow Uncle Bruce. But no, I would never take. I'm never ever gonna do like one-on-one stuff, to be honest. If I ever do something one-on-one, it'll be free because I like you. But I have to really like you. I don't like too many people, so it's probably not gonna happen. Yeah, I don't know how this stream's boring compared to like other channels. I have no idea. No idea how this channel can be boring. If you want me to talk about lines all day, I can. And I'm not talking about the healthy ones. Feels good to see green across the board. Hey, it feels good. It feels good. And you know what's leading us? It's the Nasdaq, boys. This is what we wanted. This is what we needed. The Nasdaq. It's looking really, really good. AMC, I'm waiting for the next push. The George W is legit play. He has a good kill death ratio. I'm gonna start calling it the kill death ratio. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. My KD for the day, trade wise. That'll be fun. Holy crap. I should do it. I'll do it. AMC to the men. You gotta spell moon like this. MEW. I can't put it. What if a stripper wanted a 101? She did to pay me. Because I have to teach her how to strip. I'm not talking about chairs and duck charts. Stock. What do y'all call that one? Do a stock roach? I'm just here for the commercials. God bless. God bless. Is there commercials in here? There shouldn't be. When I use Streamlabs, there shouldn't be monetized. Love your videos, though. Been here since you were 1K subs. Namaste, Michelle. Namaste, Michelle. I actually love that name. I think names that for dudes that are that can go both ways. Those are pretty sweet names. Anyone else using Weeble not seeing their positions? That sounds scary. I have some Weeble stock positions, but not Brian Harmon was the stock roach. There commercial. There shouldn't be though. But say I don't do that. Who doesn't like watching Uncle Bruce eat bagels, charging people $25 for a shout out? Dude, that's hilarious, bro. I wanna get on a stream with him one day just to eat bagels. Dude, I'll eat bagels the whole time. Hopefully he won't notice. I'll just be just chomping the whole time. What do you chart on? So I use TradingView. This isn't premium, so if you use premium, then you can get more than 3 indicators. But honestly, I could just use 2 indicators if I needed to. I could probably just use 1 if I really needed to. But yeah, so you can use 3 indicators, but you can't have multiple charts open at once. It's the only bad thing. Premium YouTube has no commercials. Oof. I think I get paid more too. If you watch my stuff with a premium YouTube, I think I get paid more. I think. I could be wrong. Can you check your Weeble, please? Yeah, sure. Let me look. I'm not familiar with the desktop version. Yeah, I'm sorry. Also, too, hey, if you deposited money onto Weeble and you use the sub link down below, so if you don't know, if you use the link down below for the Weeble, I have something coming out, but I have something out right now that's 100% free, and it's gonna be free. So if you go down below and you use the Weeble link, you sign up, you deposit the 100. You don't have to pay me anything, nothing like that. This is totally free. You're gonna get put onto the free text list once your deposit settles. So a lot of people's money is settling now. So make sure you send me an email just with a picture of your money settled and your email so I can verify it. 'Cause if you lie to me, I'm just gonna ban you from my channel for life. Honestly, it's free. I'm trying to do something nice. I'm paying for it out of my pocket too, the texting thing. So if you do it, just make sure you just send me an email with your phone number. I've already added 2-3 people, but there's a lot more people that need to be added, and I don't know how to reach out to every single person. Watching from Amsterdam, I feel like Amsterdam would be a fun place to go to. Man, I washed this cup this morning when I made it for coffee. I can taste the soap on it. Yikes. Did not clean all the way off. Blueberry, wow. That escalated quickly. I don't know what words I am and not allowed to say on here, to be honest. All I know is when I had TikTok, I was getting banned every night. I'll tell you that. You can't say nothing on TikTok. Oh, wow. Wow, I got a good stock just now. What? They just gave me someone signed up and they gave me an Intel Corp. $62 value stock. Wow. You kidding? I mean, I feel that was exciting. Wow. I wish I could know who I got that from. I'd probably give them something. Dude, the sun just went down heavy. But overall, I used Tyler's link for Weeble. Thanks for the free stonk. So yeah, hey AJ, if you use the link and you signed up and you got the deposit, just send me an email. The email's down below too. So just send me an email showing that your funds settled, and I'll put you in that free text list. Now I have more stuff coming out, so bear with me. But for now, this is it. I got some good stuff coming though. I got some good stuff in the works. Getting a little bit of a dip. I kind of like Chewy again. I mean, I kind of want to keep playing it. It looks so good. Look at the 817 push. GG. Looks juicy, juicy, juicy. Let's keep scouring. I kind of want to do some more plays. I'm feeling decent, feeling good, feeling good. One sec, guys. One sec. I think someone said my Cisco is poopy. Dude, Cisco, oh my god. Yeah, it's a reopening play, but it's a different type of play. And if you don't know about Cisco, basically what they are is a food distribution, and they do like cups and stuff like that, mainly like supplying restaurants, schools, stuff like that. So I like where they're at. They're at all-time high near those levels. They're gonna have an $86 push coming very soon, in my opinion. But we're getting a little bit of a downward push, and it's a little frustrating going on right here. Sorry, I had to check this though. What's the deal with the rate dropping to 10.5 but less shares? Where's that? Is it dropping? That's funny. Interesting. We'll see. It did this yesterday too, so I wouldn't freak out, or I want to see how consistently it does it. It's like yesterday we kind of saw this happen. We dropped to 9.5 and then boom, we spiked back up. So we'll see here in a sec. We'll see. We're breaking the system, boys. We're breaking the system. I already emailed you when I heard the important news for AMC, our only common stock I know of, but when it settles, I got you. Oh, cool. What's the deal with the rate? I already went over that. Short borrow fee for AMC is going down. They must be covering in the initial pump at the start of the market bit by bit each day. Brick by brick, baby. I'm gonna roll hashish. If it keeps dropping the data. Keeps dropping the data for some reason. We'll see how this goes. Overall though, I'm feeling good. Feeling really good about what's happening today. I want some more tech plays. I want some more. I kind of want to get back into Chewy. I mean, honestly, that thing looks like a little money printer right now. 80. Oh my god. I want to get some bad. Broke below. But look at that. It's almost that touch right there. Yikes. That was juicy. Juicy stuff. Not showing my positions at all. AMC, GME. GME looks strong. What's going on, Billy? Billy Burns, not showing my positions at all. That's weird. Try sorry, I was gonna make a joke. I'm sorry. Probably bad time. Probably not a good idea to joke around with someone when they're not showing any of their money in their portfolio. Let's go through tech. I want to go through tech. Tech looks like it wants to get a pullback. Oh, DraftKings looks rough. I want some SOS puts, but like we're already kind of low again. You know what I mean? It's just like, do I grab them at this level? It's like, man, so sketchy. But it's below the monthly. I like how we're holding. Looks really good. Like, okay, let's see how this 5-minute holds. I'll consider it. Especially for a gap close on the 550. Free money, right? Am I right? 54K. BTC is going up dramatically. And guess what? SOS still sucks. I need to make another update video just so I can get at all the haters. Try to uninstall and reinstall the app. Check for an update. What's going on, Jerry? I really like the name Jerry, man. I need more friends named Jerry. Jerry Maguire is my boy. Are y'all on mobile or desktop? My mobile is working just fine. Yeah, I would always check your mobile and then your desktop. Like if whatever one's not working, check the other one. See, that's really weird if your account's not showing anything though. I know someone in the Discord got their Robinhood hacked the other day. I was like, oh, I was like cringing. I was like, why would you be on Robinhood though? Why? You know? The Chewy guy, Cohen, is a genius. Chewy will be stable. I don't think he works for Chewy though no more. He works for GameStop now, I believe. I don't know. We will just crash good omens. Everyone starts praying. Everyone locks hands. Dude, I don't want to look how much mine are worth. Okay, it's gonna make me want to get out because I've been just seeing how much mine were down. My stupid positions. I want SOS put so bad. God, I want them so bad. Says they're at 61 cents. I paid 48. That's nothing. That's nothing. That's no money. If I don't make, I'm not selling these things for under $3 a pop. My $15 calls. Selling for $15 a pop. Gosh, that'd be gross. $3. Ugh, that'd be so much. That'd be a decent little profit there. It shows my positions in TSLA too. I just had to log back in online trading. Once again, y'all been weird. Am I holding AMC through earnings? Totally depends. I don't want to though. I am scarred from holding things through earnings. I've had some bad experiences. I think I'm gonna enter an SOS put, man. I think I'm going to. The gap down, I think we close it pretty easily. Holding below here, you know, BTC soaring, and guess what? SOS still looks like a garbage can. It's a fraudulent company. There's probably no doubt in my mind. Let's see how much it costs. I've already made so much off this stupid stock. And everyone's like, dude, Tyler, this stock's good, man. Hindenburg is so unreputable. Well, I'm sorry, buddy, but their pictures look pretty reputable to me. Oh man, I kind of want these bad. Oh, they're cheap. 5.5s are 30 cents a pop. For this week though, sketchy. Huh. I can go March 19th there. It'll be a good hedge too in case the market starts to dump. Well, we're getting a little bit of dump on Bitcoin. Gosh, dude, that's a scarier trade right now. Short interest went down, bro. Where's guys? If you believe the short interest numbers, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. Now this fee right here, I've seen this has gone down, but like if you remember yesterday, it went down as well, right? Okay, yesterday the number went down. Where's it at? I'm sorry, I can't even find it. Cause I was watching this stupid crap. It went down slightly. I just had it. I don't know where it is. Yeah, we're at 10%, and it went to 9.5, and then it went back up. Guys, if you really believe what's going on with, you know, the numbers, or you believe the numbers, and I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. It's pretty clear there's extreme manipulation going on, and I'm not trying to sound like a conspiracy theorist, but look what's happening. If you know anything about shorting stocks or the numbers that go behind them, the number doesn't increase when it goes down. It increases when it goes up. So if it's dropping right now, I do not care. Logistically speaking, a short is more profitable when it's up here than when it's down here. Makes sense. You know what I mean? So the interest rate should be much higher at this level than it is right here. He sold at market open. Hodl tight. Used to live in China for a few years. It's not uncommon to see a business in a hotel, and it's also uncommon to see fake. I don't think SOS is a fake company. I think the crypto part of their company is absolutely 110% fake. Now, I understand this concept is hard for some people's brains to understand. Now, I'm not talking to you, Gabriel, but I'm saying people that commented on that video. They're like, well, they're not a fraudulent company. I was like, I never said they were fraudulent. I said there's no such thing as their crypto positions. They have no mining. They stole all their stuff from other websites and companies. You know what I mean? They claim to be reputable and honest people, but they lie on all their information so far. Their billing included. If they're so reputable and honest, why would they lie on that? What about Plug Power? New George W. I'm telling you, Trey is gonna have a heart attack. Dude has heart problems. He's gonna have a heart attack right here. This is gonna be a good heart problem for him. God bless his soul. Gosh. Dude, he will snap. Oh man. Oof. I'm gonna send him a picture of this probably on Twitter. But the problem is my Twitter has like no followers because I gave my old one to my friend. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. So yeah, it looks really, really good. Nasdaq perking back up. What do you think about Sing? I have no idea what that is. Is it a karaoke company? Sounds cool. Single point. Dude, I can't tell you. I couldn't tell you. Getting heavy resistance though. Plug. So the thing with clean energy is that it's been taking such a beating. So if you're buying it, it's like it's not a short-term play for me. Like clean energy right now, there's no scalps. There's no like even like short-term swings. It's like you're buying long-term and you're like, you know, buy it and say something good. You know what I mean? Because it's just taking such a beating right now. I like a lot of these companies, but you gotta just find the one you really like and you believe in and you're comfortable holding. So that's the theory there for me. That's the theory with most long-term stocks right now. They're like Palantir, love them, like absolutely love these guys. But like, if you're buying, you're just like, dude, like, I'm not gonna look at you. I cannot look at you for a little bit. I'll come back to you later, baby. Just stay there in the closet. Look at Chewy, get in the dip. I mean, did we trade that perfect or did we trade it perfect? Look, you got that touch and boom, crash back down. Look at this boy in the Discord. Look at him in the Discord right here. On his way to work. On his way to work. Chewy was nice, made a quick 550 on my way to work. God bless. What a guy. Those text alerts are pretty clutch for some people. 10 more RSI on the 45 mini. Chill RSI resistance. On AMC, what are you talking about? Guys, I mean, honestly, these indicator RSI, MACD, I could care less. This is the one I'm really interested in right now, is how we're moving here on the OBV. Once we break above this level, I think we start to soar. But look what it's doing. It's getting the flaggy flag. That's what we love to see. What did GME do? What did GME do? What did GME do when it wanted to break above? It did the same thing. It popped up, it flagged, it broke through, and boom, it went to the min. Looks so good. Zone saw long-term play. I know Kathy bought them. I don't know enough about them. What are they? I have no idea what they are. AMC, they look beautiful. AMC looks beautiful. Be Creative 12. Love the name. Be Creative, my friend. But it looks really good. GME is really pushing too. Almost at 2. I think GME pushes near 300 today. I said it yesterday. I said it in the video last night actually. Oh man, it's a good day. It's a good day, baby. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day. One sec. Dude, my knee, holy crap. I don't know if it's sciatica or if I tore part of my meniscus. Honestly, I have no idea. It sucks though. Holy crap. It has to be my sciatica though, because it's like going down my whole leg. But my knee is terrible. I was sitting in the sauna last night. It's really funny. Like, so I don't know if you guys ever like, if anyone goes to the gym or anything. Anyways, if you ever like work out and you're shirtless, so in your sauna, obviously. I mean, if you're wearing a shirt in the sauna, you're a madman. Probably have a heat stroke. Anyways, when I lay down, it sounds like I'm like, or if I like lean back, and I do a lot of stretches on my back, especially for my knee and my lower back. Anyways, it sounds like you're farting or whatever if your back lays a certain way. And man, I got some like crazy looks. That was pretty funny. I was like, oops, awkward. What about Tesla? I got in at 570. So Tesla, interesting. I never trade these guys. Never trade them. Never do I ever trade Tesla. These large caps just aren't my thing. If you're gonna trade Tesla and these large caps, I think you have to invest into like flow algo because those really help. The guy in the group that I trade with, his name is Guru. Actually, I hate the name. Great trader though. but he uses flow algo, and it really helps with these charts. And he only trades his large caps every morning. So yeah, G&W is the free stock people will give me. What do you think about them? I see an uptick, but don't like it long term unless they. So those like the ones that we will give. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. What is it? Sorry, it said Ling. Yeah, I don't really like love it, but I wonder what they do with like these it has to be a promotion they do with these companies to give away their stock. It looks okay though. The thing is, indexes are just getting like attacked, you know what I mean? So like you can't really judge anything. Like their earnings were really good, so I mean, not terrible. But that's the thing with these plays is like index. Like people are like, oh, this stock looks terrible, I'm afraid to hold it. But it's like every stock looks terrible right now for the most part, besides oil. I never, my big guy, be creative. I never use RSI. So like, honestly, I'm not being mean, but like, you can keep telling me, I don't mind, but I don't like care like about RSI. I'm not being mean. I'm just saying that most of those indicators, like they're cool, whatever, but like, they don't work for me. I use price action. I like watching volume. It's the most important factor, and then VWAP for trends, and we're holding the trend. So. That's what's important for me. Now, I'm not saying if it works for you, I want people to like find what works for them. But for me, I don't use them. Yeah, I think he did, AJ. I think he did. I didn't want to touch Tesla. I wasn't touching it. What's my AMC play tomorrow? What do you mean? I'm already in AMC. I have AMC calls for $15 strikes for next Friday. I got in. They were worth like 46 cents when I got in. They're worth like 62 right now. I kind of like more tech. I think the Nasdaq looks really good. The Nasdaq might get a little bit of a pullback, which is fine. If it gets a pullback, that's pretty healthy. We're getting that 10 o'clock little pullback now. It's fine. So let's look at some tech plays. I want to find another tech play. Let's find one. I have a class today. Do I? I don't know. I just think a bunch of indicators can cloud your judgment and kind of like do more harm than good. That's just my viewpoint though. But again, like you make money from it, use it, you know what I mean? Ooh, BFT might not look that good. Getting tore up. Do you plan on selling because of earnings? I don't know. It depends where the price is at. Maybe not though. I mean, I have another week on them, so I'm fine. Cureleaf always looks good. DoorDash looks really good. They were so good at open today. I knew I should have got into them. Oh, that hurts. That was a good one at open. It still looks good. I feel like I pushed a 145. Let's see how much they are. Let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq's pushing down. So DoorDash is gonna be a good play. Gotta wait for Nasdaq to pop back. So I'll give you guys a little like Wu-Tang Clan said, cash rolls everything around me. Get the money, dollar. So like just to give you guys a little, a trip inside Tyler's head. So basically what I like doing with finding specific plays, primarily with tech. Tech is like my favorite to trade. It's pretty simple, my method with tech. So whatever your charting method is, whatever your system for finding a good stock, I don't know what your system, everyone's system is overall pretty different. So whatever my system is, right? So I find a chart I like. So I scroll through all my stocks, yada, yada, yada. I find one. I like DoorDash. I've liked them since this morning, right? So my target overall my overall target on this trend is going to be 146. 146. Right? That's my target. So what I'm looking at So I'm trying to find place, and I mean, I can just look at a chart and get a target instantly. Like, honestly, I mean, I just did it with Chewy. You guys saw what I did with Chewy, right? So what I do here, and I find the chart. This is the one I like. I can probably keep scrolling, but overall, I love the chart, how it looks. Holding above VWAP, has a strong daily reaction, pushing up, getting a little bit of a retracement, looks good, flagging, broke the flag, wants to push back to 145, 146, so I like it. So now what I do, step number 2, is I find the index that it lies under, which is primarily the Nasdaq. How is tech doing? So we can see, I don't want to open the chart, dang it, we'll come back. So we'll see tech is getting a retracement right now. Okay, fine. Where do I see tech retracing to? Probably like 1268. But now this comes into the trickier part where you have to start playing things. Do you think it dips? Do you think it continues to dip? How strong does tech look? How's it playing out today? So far the whole day, I mean, we're seeing a really strong move to the upside, right? Clear. That's worth noting. High above the VWAP as well. There's no real change in overall trend. So I'm looking at it now. I have to make the hard decision of, do I get in now? Do I wait? How conservative? How am I feeling now? Typically, I always relate this back to how I've been trading for the day. So if I've already have a few wins, I might be fine getting in a little bit more risky. Or if I've lost, I'm going to be more conservative, right? So like right now, or you could be conservative after a win to conserve your profits, however you want to keep playing. But if you've already traded tech and it's going very, very well, chances are the trend's going to continue. That's just, you trade the trend that you're in. That's how I trade personally, right? So overall, I like what's going on, and I like how DoorDash is moving, and I don't know if it's going to get a push down. Now, if it touches VWAP, it's a must buy for me personally. But like, I can see the Nasdaq, it's kind of trending sideways. It looks like it wants to get a little bit more of a dip, and the dip range I have this going to is about this, 1268 range. So what I'm going to do personally, I'm going to wait. Even though I won today, I'm feeling less risky. I'm going to wait until we get that overall dip on the Nasdaq a little bit deeper, because I think it will hit. If it doesn't hit, worst case scenario, I don't lose money. I just miss out on maybe making some money. And then let's say it starts to push above a certain level, I can always buy in and make less money on that move to 146. So I hope that makes sense. But the hard part too is the underlying problem behind this is finding your system that works for finding the stock. You know what I mean? That's the hard underlying part here, in my opinion, is setting up a system that works specifically for you. Like me, I have it down. I've been doing it just for some time now. Don't get me wrong, along the way and learning the process, I lost lots of money. But now, I mean, I look at them all day. It's just what I do. You know what I mean? You spend time every day doing the same thing over and over and over. You should get good at it. If you're not getting good at it, there's probably a problem with something you're doing. You know what I mean? So that's kind of what I'm doing here. So like when someone says they look at the RSI and stuff, I don't like look down on them or say you're stupid or nothing. You know what I mean? That's just not my system. You know what I mean? Like if you go look at Trey, like he uses indicators I don't use. He's making money. Is he an idiot? No. It just has a different system that works for you. But I am totally one of the people that will say less is better. For me. Be creative 12. The big reason indicators work is because lots of people use them. It's a psychological aspect that makes it easier to analyze. First, I used the 3 months to see how the stock is looking. Now I do technical analysis. Okay, so that for me, like I understand. I get it. I've heard people go down that route and see if we're getting that dip in the Nasdaq. God bless. So I get it. See how DoorDash is still moving bullishly. This shows how strong the stock is. So if maybe your index is dipping, but your stock moves bullish, it's an indicator your stock is a good one too. That's like confirmation on your pick. I really like DoorDash. Really good sentiment. How's Uber looking? I haven't looked at it. Uber, thank God we didn't touch it. You see, the reason why I didn't touch Uber is we didn't break above the daily. That's why I didn't touch it, because it got above the weekly, but it didn't break above the daily. One sec. So yeah, I get the logic. I get the logic of the 3 month, and you can do that. You can do that, but like in a market, what's for breakfast? Tendies. But in a market like this right now, you're not gonna have the time to do a 3-month analysis on each stock. You're not going to have the time. So you have to have better micro level analysis on a lower time frame. You have to. You know what I mean? But like, again, it's not like it's just easy to do. You know what I mean? But I honestly stay on the 15-minute, or the 5 minutes what I'm on now, but 15-minute is typically where I live. And look, you see how this is holding? I should have made this right here. This is big. Holding with 704. Yeah, it's gonna look good. What's Dash at? I think we eat, boys. I think we eat. Chart looks good. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Sometimes the 5 minutes helpful. It's okay. It's not my favorite by any means. I just don't want to be too aggressive here. I love how you said you don't like a pump and up, but you have AMC and make a video because you are unexperienced. Because you need unexperienced investors to watch and hopefully get views. So Jack Hickey. So I don't like a pump and dump. So let's talk about it. Did I play AMC when it pump and dumped? No, I did not. Did I make a video at this level? No, I did not. When did I start making videos? Around this range right here when it was dropping. And was I bearish on that video? Yes, I was bearish on the sentiment of the AMC stock until we reached this level. And at this point, AMC was no longer a pump and dump because, as you can see, a pump and dump does not trend in an overall price range for 7 to 14 days. That doesn't happen. So as we pushed above this, is this a pump and dump? No, it is not, because it's moving in a scale of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days is to the uptrend, and we have a downtrend of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 6 days in a downtrend, and then 1, 2, 3 days on an uptrend. Is this a pump and dump? No, it's not. So you're saying stuff with really no basis behind what you're saying. I wasn't making videos behind this level, and my sentiment changed 2 times. So I changed from bearish to here once we flatlined. I had to change my thesis. I said it was possible we go to 470, but overall we look really strong sitting in this range. This is very strong consolidation, and then boom, we popped up. So false narrative. And again, I admit when I'm wrong too. So during this time right here, I was bearish on GameStop. I made a video saying I was bearish. I went against. I got a lot of hate about it, but when we pumped up, I made a video saying I was wrong, and it was a bad decision. I lost money on my puts. The end. So false. But yeah, I mean, again, I respect people that try to call people out. I really do respect it, but at least like don't like lie. You know what I mean? I'm not triggered. It's just I don't like people lying. I don't lie to you guys. I expect you guys not to lie about me. You know what I mean? I think it's a good way to go. Oh, bio. I'm not gonna buy bio. I'm gonna buy shares in the company with tons of debt and market that is dying. It's a fundamental viewpoint. If you look at what's happening with the company, I mean, I talk about it all the time. I mean, I talk about it in the video, so you can watch the video why, but I give my thesis, the reason, everything about it. Are you any airline? I do not like. I have 0 airlines, 0 cruise lines, 0 both. Not a fan of either. I'm just saying, I'm not like triggered or mad or anything like that. Like, it's just like, I think it's a mutual way though. If I don't lie to you guys about content and I give you my unbiased opinion on everything, and I make bearish videos like on SOS where I got lots of hate about it, I expect to not be lied about with other stuff. It's just like and the amount of free content that I give and some of the lives and stuff, it's annoying. So, and then people get mad like, oh, you're bearish on AMC. I'm like, I mean, where's your mind at? If you don't change your thesis and if the stock starts running up to $100 and you don't change it, well, maybe this is probably getting bullish. You know what I mean? Dumb. I didn't eat cereal. I actually didn't even eat this morning. Again, though, not triggered. I'm just clarifying what you're saying because it's not true. But then again, I gotta start watching when I clarify people because some people come in here just to troll. And that's trolling, you know what I mean? Like, so like if AJ said it, for instance, if AJ was like, Tyler, you're just a bandwagon on AMC, you're a fraud, I'd probably be like, dude, he's just trolling, you know what I mean? But like, you're just like being like, I don't know. Just claim 2 more free stonks and we will guess which ones they were. AMC, wait for it, AMC again. Good luck. The stonk gods. That's funny. But you made me lose track of now, Dash. I swear to God, if I miss Dash, I miss Dash. Did I? No, no, no. It dipped. It dipped. It dipped. It dipped. It dipped. It dipped. Or did it? Wait. No, it dipped. It dipped. Okay, I like it. There we go. See, we got that dip on the Nasdaq. Okay. So this is where I had the next. This is where my original resistance was. I don't know if we break down to 6.6. If we break down to 12.6640, pretty good. I'm looking at your comment about blockchain stocks. This is my opinion when I'm trading blockchain based stocks. I don't want to trade them when we're already pumped up like we are. The time I want to buy these stocks is usually one before the weekend. They perform best on the weekend when we dip. So we've already had that massive run up. I don't love playing them at these levels. You know what I mean? Like they've already had really nice runs. Stock I'm looking at right now for a day trade. Again, I've already traded Chewy. That was a good one. That was a good way to start the day. This looks really good here. I'm loving DoorDash. I love it. I wish we get a little bit, like I wish if we could get, I think that dip to 139 was nice that we just had. But I wish we could come down a little bit lower. Like a little bit. Let me put Dash up here. So I try to have everything open so I can see everything at once. Nasdaq is hitting that support and just bopping back up. I'm not convinced though. Not convinced. Do you eat your sandwiches with or without crust? I'm a man, bro. I eat crust. I eat butt. I eat it all. You know what I mean? AJ would never say bad words against Tyler. My name is AJ. No, I'm just saying, like, if I know you, it's okay. But like to come in and throw shade if I don't know you, it's like what? I got my roommate signed up on Webull and they gave me 2 AMC. Savage. You didn't get him to use my link. Yeah. Blasphemy. I shorted DoorDash. I would probably never short a stock, honestly. The ups, I don't get why. Like maybe like an ETF I would. Like lumber. I might short lumber, but like I don't see the benefits like at all. I don't see the benefits whatsoever. Maybe a put, but yeah, Text is looking good, and I think DoorDash has room to go. Like I said, looking at the DoorDash, yeah, there it goes. I think I'm just being too conservative with my entries. Maybe I get in. I mean, Dash has room for sure. Dash is gonna make that 140. Oh, look at it go, yeah. Dude, we already bottomed out. That's the only thing. 140. So I think we're gonna need to push that 146 easy. I mean, this. Let's get a 15 mini. Yeah, it looks really good. Bottoming. I think we get another push. Let's see how much they cost. Call. Oh my gosh, those are expensive. Holy crap. Let's go to 146. Let's go to 146. Oh my god, those hurt to even look at. Those are like $500 a pop. Talk about I need some extreme confidence. Oh my god, it's beautiful though. It's already running. God, those are expensive. Holy crap. Sure, 1, 2s. Jeez. Yeah, look at the Nasdaq. I bet AMC's about to run too. Try there. If it breaks 141, I can't enter. We'll see. I hope that wasn't a fake out right there. You get cucked. I'll play it really safe though. I'm gonna have to play it really, really safe. It looks really good though. Communities, VIP. I'll keep my eye on it. It's pretty aggressive entries. Where's Nasdaq? Yeah, I need to watch the Nasdaq. How's volume looking? AMC. Looks good. We need more volume kicking in here before lunch though, for sure. Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq is perking now. Man, look at that. It had a perfect touch. That's frustrating. I moved it. We didn't already. What's your wall? Tell them to do. We need more. You need more monitors. Not two isn't. I actually don't even use. I usually just use my one, and then I use my other for chat. Neander not. It's a funny word. I don't think there's a wall for AMC. It just needs volume. There's no real wall. You know what I mean? Like the volume just died down a little bit. Like, you know what I mean? If there was a wall, we would have been rejected. You know what I mean? So like here, the 940 was a wall. We touched it, rejected, touched it, rejected, touched it. You know what I mean? Like we were rejected. When there's a wall, you get rejected. So it's important to know. What's the best web page to watch the stock on? I'm at work and can't download any programs. TradingView's free web page. That's what I use. So it's not, you don't need to download anything. You can, but I don't know why you would. Imagine what AMC is gonna look like during the power owie. I think we want to see AMC continue to run sideways, upward movement, no downside pressure. But yes, power hour could get wild. We want to see lots of volume. How's AMC looking this morning? Looking juicy. Looking juicy. Juicy. DoorDash is looking good. If I think we're about to get another Nasdaq push too. If Nasdaq gets another push, we hit 146. Messing with you, bro. I've seen other YouTubers have like 6. Diz. I know, but a lot of people really think you need a whole bunch of monitors. I mean, I guess it's like if I had one more, it'd be cool, I guess. But then like my desk would be so crowded. I could like, put them on a wall, but I like them on my desk. I like them being really close, you know, terrible vision hits hard. Why is the Nasdaq so volatile? I understand inflation and interest rates are concerned, but do you think it would be better if the Nasdaq could just trend it sideways for a day or two? Potentially. But I mean, this is what happened yesterday was just flow of money, right? So economy was bullish going into Monday, right? Economy was bullish, correct? Very strong, very bullish. With the new with the stimulus getting passed, but money flowed into like, you know, reopening stocks first and safer big companies, and today it's flowing back into tech and, you know, some riskier positions. So nothing, I mean, but Nasdaq has been like this for a while. We saw a massive downtrend and it looks really good. I think Nasdaq could really start to run, to be honest, very soon. What's the best way to send you news you might want to see on AMC and other? Discord. Also, when you get on the text list, well, no, don't text it, actually. Discord's the best. I, like, live on Discord, to be honest. I'm literally on Discord all the time. God, look at DoorDash. Daddy's stroking today. So, like, another thing I did today is I can be kind of... Sometimes I can be impatient, don't get me wrong, but like today I was like, I'm just gonna be patient with stocks. I'm just gonna wait. Like the first hour, didn't touch anything. Kind of just watched, you know, like peeping Tom style, just watching, chilling, you know. And I wanted to see how Nasdaq held, and we got a really strong push above the weekly, and then that's when I started trading, when we got that strong push above. Now it's looking good. Ty, what's the best way? Dash moving up. DoorDash is looking good, Boomer. Dash is looking good. But the Nasdaq is what I'm waiting, is what I'm watching. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. That was gross. I might get some more coffee here in a sec. That was gross. My bad, guys. Yuck. I'm kind of excited for this next stupid NBA top. I mean, honestly, I kind of look extremely forward to it. Richard Mills buy AMC. I have quite a few AMCs. Quite a few. If my money's settled on Webull, I'd definitely buy some. But it's not settled, so I can only own the stock. which is no fun. Oh, Nasdaq getting a little. I might exit my dash. Yeah, I'm probably gonna exit. No way, I'm not risking that. I might miss out on some profits, but oh my god, it's up so gross. Holy crap. It's trying to push back. Holy crap. It knows I want to exit. Frick. I know I need to exit. I know for a fact I need to. If I don't, I'm dumb. I'm trading so good today too. Gosh. I gotta exit. I gotta exit. It's so strong. That hurts to do. Gosh, I think it could really keep going. God, that hurts. I did not want to do that. Ah. AMC looks good. It's just holding. This is good. Like the fact that it's just trending right there, man, that's really good. Doesn't get too much better than that. Put Zion up. Gosh, that hurts. I thought Dash is gonna fly. Either way, that was so good. You get the bag. Fumble Tyler gets the bag, flips it and tumbles. Dude, all the top packets were sold out. Yeah, so sorry, I was getting rid of some stuff. Hello Tyler, are you a stock creeper? I'm a stock creeper. Only trades for bam, thanks. No problem, Boomy. No problem, Boomy. It was a good little flip. It's still gonna go up, I think. I got out of it though. I had to get out of it. So what are we gonna do? Also, I need to remember. So today I'm gonna make a new notification for follows and for subs and donations. I need to make a better one for donations. It needs to be good. I might make like an Uncle Bruce one. This dude constantly streaming AMC and always lets down. I'm letting us down. How am I letting us down, baby? What do you mean? We're going up. Going to the min. What are you talking about? I bought NFTs on VV app. So yeah, so the Top Shot, you gotta be like on time. So luckily, so if you don't know, so you get an email whenever they're gonna have the drop, and then I waited in line for like 2 hours. But I mean, I put it on my computer, so it was fine. I was like, going back and forth, and there was 120K people that signed up for the pack drop, and I think like 27,000 got it. So we're looking good. The account's looking juicy too. We flipped $100 to 1673. So no. Oh my god. Oh my, I almost added. No. Bad. Get out of this. I do not want to add that much funds to my account. Whew. Close call. Sweat. One trolling. Yeah, I know. I'm getting out of the hater. I'm trying to ignore. Self-control. Jimmy is looking like a cup and handle on the daily, but 5 man looking like it's starting to get a George W. AMC might lead the chart there. I'm telling you, they both look good. I think Jimmy honestly could test 300s today. I think it really could. Yeah, Juan can't read. He can't read the numbers. Yeah, I just don't like I don't know any other NFTs that like really interest me, you know? That's the thing. That's the only thing like with these other NFTs, that none of them really like get me excited at all. I'm probably about to have to hop off pretty soon though. I gotta do some this PowerPoint crap. Oh. I really don't want to do that at all. What's the bar rate? Chilling at 10.5. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, it looks. I think we're gonna get another leg pretty soon. It looks really good, man. I would hate to not be on stream for it. Chiropractor? No, it's my leg. It's my knee. Ugh. And I'm like an old man right now. I'm like brittle. I'm like breaking down slowly. Death by PowerPoint, right? Yeah. So I have like an Excel sheet I'm working on, and at the I don't want to talk about it. I'm hungry too. It's back home, baby. What are your thoughts on online gambling stocks? What do you mean, like draft? What are you talking about? Like what type of what specific ones? DraftKings, Pin, Golden Nugget. DraftKings looks really good. Oh crap! There's just the charts look phenomenal today. When Nasdaq perks up, this is my favorite time to trade. To be honest, these are these are the stocks that I'm just best at trading. Though is tech. Like when's earnings? Thursday, I believe so. Yes, correct, Mundo. Yeah, Nasdaq's gonna keep ripping. I think I missed Dash. I'm so frustrated. I got out of Dash. Scared money. Don't make money. How's Sundial looking today? That was perked up. I didn't really look at it. Sundial looks good. It looks like I think it's gonna get a break to like the 140 range. Really possible. Oil is kind of down. Not really. It was down earlier. I might get some oil. I don't know. I don't think you really need to trade it right now though. What is my Cisco at? It's perking back up, so fine. Gnog. I'm not a huge fan of Gnog. No. I gotta get my 2-year-old gremlin up. A rough night. Have a good one, AJ. I'm not a huge fan of Gnog, just because it's not sports betting, so it kind of has me worried. It could do well though. Like it could do well. I know when I log off though, I know for a fact AMC is gonna go wild. I know for a fact. I know for a fact it's gonna go crazy. Man, AMD, like these semiconductors look really good too. A lot of these stocks look really good. I mean, you could probably talk about any stock and they would do well. Because they're all just so beat up, you know. God, chewy. Oh man, CrowdStrike, holy crap. Wow. The Cisco kid was a friend of mine. I don't know, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know who the Cisco kid is. Sorry if I make you feel old. I really like this, man. How's the OBV? That's gonna be a good play. I just don't have a target here. Maybe like 203. How is Snow? We'll come back to CrowdStrike. I've been screwed on a few times. Let's go Snow. Snow looks okay. Similar chart. Look at Dash is holding that level. That's so bullish. Snow. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm buying. I'm on a trading spree today. Holy crap. Oh. What's that? 235. God, they're so expensive. Yeah. Oh man. These could just lose value really quick. Yeah, I'm buying snow. I'm gonna buy some snows at, what am I buying them at? 242 out of the money. Is it 0.5? Yeah, 0.5. About. Oh man, look at it go. Crap. Dang it. You're kidding me. Oh my god, no. Oh, look at AMC. Holy crap. Okay, we'll go back to AMC. Sorry, I need to go back to AMC. I need to put this trade in really quick. Crap. Oh my god, what are you doing? Let me look. Sorry, I missed. Yeah, this looks really good. I can't miss it. People are probably like, what the hell is Tyler doing? He's going like a madman right now. He's trading everything. A little bit of rejection, we'll see. I think it looks fine. Okay, back to chat, sorry. So we're back at AMC. Looks like it wants to get a breakout bad. Looks like a really good breakout's coming. Twitter, someone just said Twitter. Twitter, yeah, hitting a resistance, so be careful on that. Wait, AMC. Jeez, looks good. Tech looks so good. Push AMC, hopefully test. Doom. Frankie, so much hate, buddy. So much hate, man. Frankie, it's okay, man. Call me when your 9-to-5 job fires you. You don't like the lo-fi? The lo-fi is good. Alright, this song is a little bit quiet. Brandon, those are the ones I have, Brandon, personally. Be careful, though. No, not Cisco, Jeff. It's SYY. Two different companies. There's Cisco, and then there's Cisco. One's a tech, one's a like food distribution. No one cares about you, troll. You're broken, angry. That cheesy background is very relaxing to me. It looks really. AMC looks really. How's the volume looking? It's okay. It's not great. Snow peaking a little bit. Nasdaq. Let's see. AMC's holding up really good though compared to GameStop though. But like I said, I mean, same chart, like man. Same chart. We back, Rogan. We back. Snow's looking juicy. I think Snow might hit my entry right here. I'm praying to God it hits my entry. Looks really good. Nasdaq perking up too. Nasdaq about to make a breakout. Frankie is a mad suit. Ape's favorite song is Jump Around. Can't play those songs though. I can't play it. I wish I could play good songs. I'll probably think AMC will run with. If we start getting the volume that we had this morning, the volume like within the first 15 minutes we had 20 million volume. I think there's a possibility we could run above 11 today. Theoretically, maybe, but we need more volume. The volume's just not there right now. We're just trending sideways right now, which is fine. Once volume kicks in, it's gonna get pretty crazy, pretty strong too. We're still sitting really good. Less than half the day, and we're already at like what we were yesterday, so we're looking fine. How far do you think AMC will run? Far. Yeah, Frankie's a salted dog. He's a salted dog. Oh yeah, good dip on snow. I'm happy with the dip. The static with the dip. Placement 21. Savage. I actually kind of hate 21. I think he's terrible. Let's see. Snow getting a little bit of a dippy dip. But I think it's just going to hit our entries, to be honest. At 25, yeah. Yeah, I love it. I love it. It was between this and CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike looks good, too. CrowdStrike's kind of doing better right now. CrowdStrike looks really good. They both look very similar. Snow just beat up a lot more, and Snow has a better target. Like I think it definitely runs to like 234, 235, give or take. It could run past. We've seen Snow get really crazy. Perfect dip though. Perfect dip. Perfect dip on Snow. Yeah, I'm tired though. I don't have any CCIV right now. I want to enter. I think it'll hit below 20 though. It's holding below this resistance so strong. Oh come on, hey Rogan, you got any AMC? I mean GME. Got any GME? I know Cisco's hurting. I know. I'm watching it. It's perking back up. Just relax. I'm giving you the Aaron Rodgers. Relax. AMC baby. AMC. Here we go, baby. We need pumps, baby. Pumpy pumps. Come on, AMC. Come on, you dog. Only one. Oh, well, they're probably GameStops are a lot more expensive than AMC's. Here we go. Which one made the thong song? Let's look at 2 million. The volume's perking up a little bit too now. Two things I have to watch. I have to watch AMC, and don't let me forget about Snow over here, please. I need to not forget about that. Oh, it just shot up? I haven't looked at my call. I've been looking at the charts. I need to look here in a little bit. But they might be going up because it's getting so volatile, which is something like we never really... That's one thing I mentioned about Cisco, though, was it's been so steady the past, 7-8 days, right? It's just been steady up and down. And now we're getting this crazy movement, like the wick up, wick down. So the volatility, the IV is going to, raise up on it. So that's good. That is pretty good. So if we start getting back to, even our flat level of 82, it could get really strong. We could make decent money off of those. MVIS. Guys, I know you guys love this one. Trey loves. I know Trey loves it. It's this is his baby. It looks like it's gonna keep running. I'm not. It's a longer term play. I think your long run has a lot of room. If she can break $10, she's off to the races, dude. I'm praying with you, buddy. The volume is just not pumping in. How's GameStop's volume? Hmm. 21. Not terrible, not bad. Go back to AMC. Oh, go back. I'm surprised the rates. What is going on with these rates? These need to go back up. I love how the shares available just come back to 3,500. It's 35,000. It's great. Why are you making clickbait? Actually, what's my clickbait? Sorry, where's the clickbait? I know I make clickbait 100%. But what's my clickbait today? I think I said the squeeze isn't over, or something like that. I should have said the pump isn't over. Sorry. Snow. Hey, snow running, Rogan. Hey, dude, I'm telling you. Dude, when tech starts to move, daddy trades. That's how daddy trades. The hand gets hot. Talk about sundial. It's just kind of trending up with the Nasdaq. It looks okay. I think we get a push maybe like 140, but I mean I don't love it. Like there's just so many better trades right now, opportunities. Snow. If Snow can break the 230 marker, it'll run to like 234. I think. Yeah, there it goes, baby. There it goes. There she blows. Yeah, it looks strong. Kind of concerning about 230. Well, I'd probably take profits earlier, but we'll see. I'm starting to put targets in there too, so people like don't get mad. Like if I don't post a exit, sometimes if I get busy. Squeeze is happening. Oscar Olsen, just relax, man. Just relax. Just take a chill pill, man. Just take a chill. AMC is looking nice right now. AMC sell wall at $10 looks nasty. Guys, relax. There's gonna be a billion different sell walls that we're all gonna be talking about. Yeah, they're almost at $3 a pop now, those snow calls. Holy crap. It's coming down a little bit though, so don't get too excited. I'll hold for a little bit. Someone text me. Buy Neo calls printing. I'm happy, you guys. Can you please explain why the interest is going down at the AMC? Is because they're trying to sell VWAP, looking to support AMC, $100 a wall. Yeesh. So, okay, guys, one, I cannot begin to explain the numbers that are being released to us, right? This is probably the only factual stuff we really have with AMC, in my opinion. That we know is factual, right? The interest numbers, right? The question is, are people selling? What are they doing? You know, I can't tell you what hedge funds are doing, unfortunately, because I don't have that information. You know what I mean? And no one on YouTube has that information. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So anyone that says the rates are going down because so-and-so did X, Y, and Z, it's a theory. It's probably a good theory, but I'm not even going to throw theories at you because it'll be said that I said this is factual fact. And you know, I'm not going to throw you stuff that isn't factual, right? I'm going to like use the facts that we have in front. Oh, AMC getting a nice little push. So that's just me personally though. I pride myself on just keeping facts and keeping it as straight as possible with everyone. That's just, you know, what I try to do. But I can't give you a legitimate reason, but what I can tell you, logically speaking from the charts, interest rates should not be cheaper, or yeah, they shouldn't be cheaper at this level and be more expensive down here. That's not how they work. They should be cheaper down here and more expensive up here because the price is higher. That's how it works. So this just shows the greed and how much people were shorting and how, you know, overly confident these funds were. So with it going down, I don't really know what to say at this level. I think positions are going to have to start covering pretty soon. I think the 940 was make or break for them, and it broke finally. It took super long, but I can't give you a honest, complete answer of why they're going down. I think they'll start going back up pretty soon, though. You made a video about Castro Maritime a few weeks ago. What are your thoughts on now? It was a longer term trade. You're buying, kind of sitting underneath it. It looks pretty good. Sitting underneath resistance right now, it has room to go up. 100% has room to go up. It looks good. Push, 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 push. Oh, there we are, baby. Oh, $10. Oh, he's getting that break. He's getting that break. AMC squeezing is factual. Okay, so I've never said AMC is squeezing. Have I said that? Have I? Well, I have said it in the past. Will it squeeze? I think it will. Yes, I have. But what I'm saying in the past videos of what's going on right now, I have not said that. So Oscar, it's all good. It's all good. All love, bro. But if you go back and listen to the whole video, this video and my past recent videos, then you know I'm not exploiting BS. But yeah, so good luck, man. I hope you make money today. It's looking good. It's looking good. AMC needs to break that $10 wall. I think it will. Oh, Snow with a dip. Oh, I didn't even see that. Yuck. Gross. Gross, gross. Where's Chewy at? How's Chewy doing? Chewy popping back up. AMC. There we go. $10. $10 for a sec. $10 for a sec. How's the volume looking here? It's perking up. It's not terrible. Yeah, it hit 10, got rejected a little bit. How's GME looking? GameStop looks okay too. Dude, Oscar, like, honestly, I mean, I'm not gonna apologize for putting clickbait on a video, but if the content of the video is lying or not factual evidence, or, you know, just me hyping stuff up, then I mean, come at me. I get it. But like, if you're just like begging for attention, come on, go away. It's like, it's gross. Man, good push. How's the volume's kicking in good. AMC banging on $10 ceiling downstairs neighbors. I picture like an angry mom hitting on the ceiling with like a broom. I know. How do you spell your name? Oscar? Fresh off the boat. Strong GME movement, man. Strong. Okay. Good move, man. Good move. It's trying hard. Neo broke 40. What do you mean? So viral headquarters. The volume isn't bad. So I mean, like, so market's been over for 2 hours. We're at almost 50 million in 2 hours. We still have 4 hours left in the day. No, we have 430 minutes left in the day. I'm sorry. So I mean, technically, we're kind of sitting better than yesterday. Just saying. 10:05. Good push. Good push. House is voting tomorrow for a COVID relief bill. It'll probably get passed. Yeah, Chad, that's what I'm saying. Like, this wall's like, I don't buy into it. I have an average of $11. He just wants to tell people what to do. Josh. Yeah, I just want to tell everyone what to do. Nom. She's gonna run. She looks good. How's the Nasdaq? Nasdaq's looking okay. I might have to exit these stupid snow positions. Kind of frustrated. Volume's dying it down too. This is kind of what worried me, that GME and stuff would run, and tech might come down. Yeah, frick. 1 sec, I need to see something. Done. Worrisome. Mad worrisome right now. Because the Nasdaq does look really good. And if this stuff starts to soar, we could see the same chain reaction occur that we saw with those other plays. 1 second. Gosh, this is the hard question now. Where are they at? Let's see. Gosh, we were up pretty strong too on those. Ugh, gross. Oh, we're not even down that much. It's because of volatility. The volatility is saving us. Holy crap. Exiting. Where's it at right now? It's like a big dumpy dump. I'm not super concerned with snow though, but I'm getting out of any of the trades I have for the day just with this moving up, this volatility going on, and the volatility, like we got in about 228, but the volatility is keeping us kind of alive here on snow, which is really good. But I don't. This is just too much risk now with the other stuff going on. I'll take the minor loss. I'm totally fine. I mean, it's perking back up. I don't care. There's just no reason to be in that risk right now. because it's a shotgun trade. AMC grew legs. That it did. It grew legs like Deadpool. AMC gonna test. Keep climbing. Let's go, Oscar. Can you please talk about how you think AMC? How are you gonna? Dude, I'm kicking this guy out. I don't know how you're gonna like come in here and be annoying, and then you're gonna come and ask questions and try to act like nothing happened. You're insane, buddy. One sec. I need to. Cool. That should be it. Okay. Sorry, I had to do that. It was just getting on my nerves. This is annoying. I don't know how you're gonna come and troll and then try to ask questions. It's like a bipolar girlfriend. So I think AMC looks really good though. I mean, like I've been saying, it was just 940 was the area we had to watch. You know, $15 this week. I mean, I think honestly, week 14.5 is a pretty nice high. Like if we hit that level, you should be happy. But like I said today, like honestly, things are getting wild. I think GME end of day push honestly could push near the 300s, and if that happens, AMC most likely follows based on what's happening with the stock. So this could push potentially to $13, $12 today if the push starts to happen for GME as well. And we're not even seeing that much volume kicking in here. You know what I mean? Like the volume isn't that crazy yet. Like we're seeing more than yesterday. This has more volume than yesterday. We're looking better than yesterday. 100%. Yes. I will agree. We look better than yesterday. But we still have room. Like we still could keep going. You know what I mean? It doesn't look bad. No, guys, I don't mind you guys trolling stuff, but like, dude, that guy was like just going on and on and on, and then he tries to just like, dude, he's like bipolar, like, dude. There's a reason why I am single and not with anyone. It's because I don't like that behavior. Bipolar behavior is scary. Triteria calls GME hitting 250 before power. I think so. Rogan, I think so. I really do. I'm telling you, this movement, I think we could see a push easily to 300, maybe 310 today. I'm not just saying it, but the way we're moving, and there's not that much volume. That's the crazy. What's the bar rate? How's the bar rate staying sideways is such a joke. Such a joke, guys. Like, what worries me though is earnings coming up. That is scary. So GME, look at GME doubling almost, doubling the fee. It's getting serious. Getting serious. Are you gonna target for 13 or 14 for what's potentially your target? It's a hard question. It's a hard question. Reddit or Elon needs to give some AMC some words of wisdom. I'm bipolar, geez. Well, you're not bipolar with me, so it's okay. Dude, is that the same Oscar dude? Oh my, you're kidding me. This guy's nuts. That dude is nuts, man. I'm worried about earnings. Yeah, so but I think everyone knows what earnings are gonna kind of entail for AMC, but that's the problem too, though. So like, even if they come out very optimistic, right? So let's say they come out. Let me refresh this really quick. Yeah, so tech is gonna start getting kind of cut. I don't think it could take. It's like when the CEO comes out and talks about AMC. We already know what he's gonna say. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like, oh my god, what he's saying is a surprise. He thinks that AMC is gonna do pretty well this next quarter. We all know what he's gonna say. You know what I mean? So it's that part's tough, and I understand that aspect of it. That part is tough because we know what he's going to say. So I believe with how it's going to go with earnings are going to be atrocious, like as anticipated, rightfully so. They should be. Like everyone knows, like they're going to be bad. Although Cinemark did pretty good on their last earnings. And then I think he's going to come out and be very, 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 very bullish. I think he's going to be extremely bullish. He's like, our outlook looks phenomenal. We went from making $0 from COVID to now we're going to be profitable and something. I think he's going to be extremely, 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 extremely bullish. That's my aspect and viewpoint. Roblox released tomorrow. I'm kind of excited for Roblox. I kind of want to get some. Was everyone listening to 1050? Watch your boy work. Let the haters hate. Probably just want you to be his mom's boyfriend. Or his wife's. But yes. About to go get some more. Okay, I'm gonna get some more coffee, guys. I'm gonna get some more coffee. Give me a sec. I'll turn the music up for you guys. Give me like 5 minutes. If you leave, you're not an ape. Baby, what a sight to come back to. What a sight to come back to. Here we go. New highs coming, boys. It's funny because like it's just funny because when we got the dip, I have to turn the music down. Sorry. You know, we saw the dip to this levels, and you go look back at the word said in the comments left on the AMC videos. Tyler's an idiot. $14 won't happen. Hype stock. YouTube fraud. Yada yada yada. And it's not about me being right. That's not what it's about. You know what I mean? So even if I was wrong, I'm gonna be wrong on trades. You know what I mean? But this was when I was really confident on, and it you know, helped grow the channel quite a bit. I'm not gonna lie, it helped grow the channel quite a bit. But I had money in this play either way. So it's like, if I lost money, I was losing money based on my video. It was myself, because I was trading based on it. You know what I mean? So what I'm saying is that, like, you know, today feels good. It's a special day. It's a special day. It's a special day. Firm handshakes for the boys. Firm handshakes for the boys. It's looking good. It's looking good. When should you sell AMC? You know, man, I can't tell you that. Can't answer that question for you, but I recommend you do what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy, my friend. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful push. What's going on, Diamond Life? Let's go. Great to have you, Diamond Life. Great to have you. Great to have you. Couldn't wait to see your reaction. It looks good. It looks good though. But you know, I'm quiet when people start, you know, ripping. I'm a quiet guy. And you know, I'm not even gonna, like, you know, boast or anything or make a hype video about trolling the haters. I'll make a video going over AMC where I continue seeing us go. I definitely think we get a break at this local high. GameStop hasn't even started running, guys. It hasn't even started running with us. You know what I mean? Once they both start running, it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get mad. Yeah, let's start handing out cigars, baby. We hit $25. We're doing the tendies. We're doing the tendies. We're giving the tendies, and we're giving out the gift cards throughout Houston, baby. We look really good though. We look good. OBV yeah, bro, it's breaking through. Remember what I told you this morning? Like I said, once we start getting the breakout from the OBV level, it's gonna start getting very serious, and we're getting the breakout now. I mean, it looks. I mean, what else is there to really say? Like, what's going on? How much volume's kicking in as well? 59, almost 60 mil. I mean, dude, we're not even halfway done. I mean, we're about 30 minutes till halfway done with the day. So good stuff. Tyler, understand you can't give advice, but what's your sell target? My sell target's totally based on how much I have in, and then where I just see my portfolio growing to. You know what I mean? It's not based on a specific price target. Now, I think there's big resistances. 14.5, 15 is going to be a big one. I think 17 is going to be a big one. We hold above 17. That's crazy. We hit new highs probably. But yeah. Tyler, the Fed spokesman, Yankee, is speaking about AMC now. You sure? Where? I would like to see that. Be cool. Let's go to Twitter. By the way, if you don't follow on Twitter, I just made a new Twitter. Unfortunately, I gave my other one to my good friend from high school. He's like starting some idea. So option drops. I appreciate the retweets, the growth, the love. I won't be posting specific things or, you know, specific, how do I say this, trades, I guess, but I'll be having underlying messages about specific trades I like to get into all the time. Dear paper hands, don't make me pick up the phone again. Don't be humble, put in some work on these fools. 20 plus is my target. It's a good day. It's a good day, boys. It's a good day. It's a very good day. Sorry, one second. I'm getting some DMs on Discord. Man, okay, my friend just messaged me. He said he has a Zion card. It's a 210, I think. What's the serial? He's a Zion, one of the Top Shop cards. It's a 210 serial number. That's a really good like serial. He'll sell it to me for $585. I kind of want it bad. That's a really good serial number. I'd probably resell it though. I feel so bad if I resold it. AMC can hit 100. I mean, I think it's unlikely, but I guess it's possible, you know. I think it's unlikely. We'll have to break 1040, keep going. It's just more volume kicking in. It's just slowing down a little bit. I think it looks strong. Volume's kicking in as well. It's just slowing down a little bit. Gosh, it wants to go though. This is crazy. What sports did I play? I played pretty much everything. I sucked at baseball. Only thing I play anymore is basketball with friends. Actually, you know what? We did at my, because I went to a private school. During COVID, because the kids couldn't play sports, so for the homecoming thing, they didn't want to like not do anything, so they did like a alumni reunion thing, and we played an alumni football game. That was pretty fun. God, I want that Zion bad. I want it bad. Like, look at snow. That kills me. That's going up, but it's just something I had to do. You know, I had to cut snow because, you know, what happened last time. Trey said AMC could possibly hit 100. I mean, that's just my thesis. You know what I mean? People can say whatever they want. I went to 5 different high schools alone. Yikes. I like how people throw outrage. I mean, I think my viewpoint is very, it can almost be taken as pessimistic. But yeah. So, he had a secret place he would meet for jiu-jitsu. This looks good though. This looks really, really good for what's happening. I'm waiting for once GameStop starts running, I think AMC goes again. Looks really, really good. It doesn't get too much better. It doesn't get too much better than this. Yeah, I mean, I can't really give you like an overall. That's why I say it it could theoretically go to like 100, yeah. You know, but like, it's like, do I think it will? No, I don't think it will. So I'm bouncing back and forth from Discord. I'm getting a lot of DMs. I think AMC end of day, man, we're getting really good movement just going into like lunch, you know what I mean? This is the wild part. So how we start trending into power, which I think we're gonna keep trending. I think it's possible $12 to $13 today. Crazy. I know it's crazy. It's bonkers. Wild. I know. I get it. I think there's possibility. I'm on day trader restriction. Yikes. What range candles are you watching? This is 15 minute. I like live and die by 15 minute usually, but I've been going to 5 minutes sometimes, but typically 15 minutes my intraday time. This guy's a hater. He won't hit 100. Hit his squeeze. What you smoking, bruh? I don't even know what you just said. I have no idea what you just typed to me. No clue. Zero clue what you just said to me. I'm so lost, actually. That was not English. I got 0.01 Bitcoin. I'd be rich in 100 years. Anyone else here get cucked? I average down to $11 in AMC. Oof. Call options are the way. Oh, look at GameStop. GameStop's running. Yeah, GameStop's breaking. Thinking about buying GME. Oof. It's a little bit late to that party, but you never know. Let's go GME. Firm handshakes in the chat. Firm handshakes. They're both doing it. I was gonna tell you this morning too, Rogan, at like $9. I was gonna tell you, like, dude, buy. Or $9.40. I was like, dude, buy. I was gonna tell you to buy 15 strikes, $15 strikes for next week. Are you buying Neo or Pelentron dip? I already have a lot. I'm not buying any more unless they dip further down, which I hope they don't ever dip further down. But so I'm mentally trying to prepare for them never to dip again. One sec. I kind of want to buy more in AMC, but I know that is not smart. I mean, shares of AMC are nice. I mean, I have a few shares of AMC also. So, I mean, I don't think they're bad plays at all. But, man, I'm excited for the Nasdaq. Like, Nasdaq looks so good right now as well. Like, Nasdaq could rip. I don't think people really understand how strong. How does SYY look, too? Yeah, SYY looks really good, too. Like, another push. We're probably going to get in the money, like, and do really well in this trade, actually. Just because the volatility is kicking up so nice here. It's funny how some of this stuff works out. What's a good entry point for AMC? I can't tell you when to buy or anything like that, you know what I mean? Like, I've been talking about it for a while. I bought some yesterday as well in the dip. But yeah, so. Is all your stock growth stocks? A lot of them are growth stocks, yes. It's a pretty risky portfolio. Pretty risky. But if I wasn't risky, I would just buy an ETF. So, I just added to my AMC element, but if it drops too much, I'm going to take profits. Damn, I regret buying, not getting those calls. Yeah, I got quite a bit. I bought like 20 of them right now. Ugh, sketchy. Is there a spammer? Who's a spammer? I don't even see. Bro, your caps lock is stuck on if it makes you feel it makes you look stupid. I think the hard part is when people troll and they don't speak. Oh man, like not speaking proper English hurts my head. And I'm bad at writing papers was my struggle in college, to be honest. Man, I'm about to have to get off though. I'll probably try to get back on at 2 p.m. I gotta do this. I gotta do this PowerPoint. I have to finish it. I kind of suspect slower movement. Man, this song's too much for me. I feel like we're gonna get some sideways movement, maybe a little bit of a rejection here, but I want how our options looking for Friday or the hedges. I'm not having any options for this week. What do you think about aims can go to? I don't think we double top of this range. Let me put it like that. So I think we're gonna run to like 14.5 personally. But not. I don't know if today when it's gonna be, but that's what I'm looking at. So, but I'll be live around 2 p.m. again. So if you want to jump back in. So yeah, I'll be back around 2, maybe a little bit early. I'm gonna try to finish the PowerPoints quick, but I have to finish it because I think it's due at 6 p.m. and this girl has to like edit some of the stuff, so I need to help her out. I'm being kind of a jerk. People don't like when you have a different opinion. I know, it hurts people's heads. They have to think. So I'll be live around 2 p.m. If you want, I'll be in Discord though, so you can talk to me in Discord if you want to talk to me there.